So alright, man. Shout out to everybody who's supporting this. Kenzo, we love you so much, man. Keep it doing it. Legendary. I'm happy to be in Uganda. I can't wait to see everybody here. And I'm here with Mr. Kokonyo, Eddy Kenzo.
Oh, Mr. Kokonyo, how are you? Oh,
So
welcome to
you
Uganda.
can see him on the game for everybody. So thanks to everybody, especially you guys, journalism. You guys means a lot to us. Thank you so much. And I'm about to go and rest and have some beautiful Ugandan water. Oh, baby, palm me water.
Okay, nice time. Okay, here we have upcoming artists who are really excited to meet you, who are really excited to see you. Can you, when they ask some time from you, will you?
For sure. You know, underground is a name. If you look at its name, it's like nothing. When you hear underground, it feels like nothing. But trust me, there's no any king or queen without underground. All the queens that you see, all the kings that you see, there was underground before they were. Myself, I was underground. Everybody in the world, you have to start from. So I can't wait to meet them as well. So I'll arrange some proper time.
Okay. Before saying goodbye to you, before going back to Tanzania, should we expect any collab with Eddy Kenzo?
For sure, we drop music. I think we drop new music. I think, yeah. This week.
Okay. Nice time here.
So
Enjoy
much.
our matoke
So
and
much.
Rolex.
Thank you so much.
Okay, nice time.
Bannange.
Bannange tukwaniriza.
Tukwaniriza.
Bala mpola mpola, faino mpola mpola. Bala itambule. Itambule mzee. Itambule. How are you? How are you, my brother? It's me who called.
No, I've been to Uganda, but it's been 5 years.
So the industry is growing. The industry is so growing.
You're from Kenya?
Yes, Nairobi, Kenya.
Oh, you're welcome. How long have you been friends with Eddy Kenzo?
For almost 8 years.
8 years?
Yes, 8 years. Yes,
That's
8 years. We did our song, I think, that's 4 years ago. Barua kwa Mama, we did a song together. And I'm looking forward to doing another hit.
Oh, so you will have to go back when you've done another collab with him?
Yes, I'm looking forward, for a recording session. Also exploring the Ugandan music.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of
Ugandan music?
Yeah.
Like who specifically?
I've also done a collabo with Lydia Jasmine.
Oh.
Yes, that we are expected to shoot very soon. So
The audio is already out?
Yes, we have done the audio and we are working on the video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this
Congratulations on your newborn.
Yes, and I'm here for Eddy Kenzo Festival. Yes, I'm a new father in town, right?
Okay.
Yeah, baby Malaika.
Is this going to be your first time to perform in Uganda?
Yeah, this is my first time. Yeah.
Performing all this thing?
Performing.
Okay.
I've been here before once. And nilikuwa nimekuja tu kutembea, just to enjoy myself. And now I'm happy to be back here. Yeah, because I have friends here.
How was the experience?
Yeah.
How was the experience for the first time you to be in Uganda?
My experience was good. I know I came here as a gospel artist when I was doing gospel music.
You're no longer doing gospel music?
I'm saved. I can say I'm saved. Of course, last time I was here, it was just to, because I have friends, Chameleon is my friend, Levixon is my friend, Exodus is my friend. So I just came to what? Sorry?
Ati kwa nini uliacha gospel music?
Kwa nini sijaacha? I do when I want to sing a song for God, I do a gospel song, Just that I'm doing general music, for everyone, and I'm still fit. That was what really matters.
Okay, you had made a transition from music. You wanted to join politics, though you failed. So how do you feel? Because every artist in every country who wanted to do politics, some of them failed, some of them and you're among those we thought you would be right now.
In politics,
yes.
For me, first, I know you have followed my story, right?
Yes.
I cannot say I failed. It's just that, I was fighting with, I can say, I didn't want to fight with the government, especially the government of the day, So I was like forced to step down, and leave it to someone else because, of course, the youth are the leaders, and I was more of a threat, and I feel I'm still young. I've not yet gotten to that year, so I'm still young, and I was like, okay, I can wait for the next time.
Why is it you artists are so much right now pursuing into politics? Are you creating an escape route when music is done?
No. Music cannot be done. You understand? You see, like right now, musically, I'm doing so well. But let me tell you, if you want change, you cannot be complaining about change. We need to try some of our own. One of the reasons I wanted to join politics, it's not because I'm a politician. It's because I want to lead. I want a voice to lead my community. If you want to make changes, let's say you have new legislations you want to put in parliament about the music industry, you cannot do it on social media. You need to be in parliament. You understand? And that's the reason we are pushing and pursuing, because for our industry to grow, we need some of us to speak for the industry inside parliament.
You as Kenyans, Eric Omondi recently was going to the Senate, saying that you guys have failed to lift Kenyan music, and he wanted the parliament to sign so that they can play 75%, that's Kenyan music.
Yeah.
And all the most music played in Kenya, 99% it was from outside, and it's only Bieni's music that was being played. And you guys have failed the Kenyan industry. That's complete from...
The reason we want to be in parliament, it's because you see, like Eric Omondi is doing comedy. He's just making comedy with a serious issue. You understand? Those are some of the things that we need, the reason why we need musicians in parliament, so that they can push for such things. You understand? You see, what Eric Omondi is doing is on social media. Social media does not help us much, because no laws are made on social media. You understand? Secondly, Eddy Kenzo is not a musician, my friend.
But it's fasting for you guys.
No. Why can you fight for an industry you're not in it? You should fight for comedians. You understand? The music industry has its own setup, its own, bodies that can fight for it. You understand? Of course, it's a serious issue. We cannot write off the issue and say he's not saying a point. It's only that he's using it for clout. You understand? You cannot say Ugandan music has failed. You don't help Ugandan music by fighting the Ugandan music. You help it by uplifting it. You understand? How has it failed? How are we owning houses? You understand? How are we owning our dream cars? Did you understand? Like right now, I think I have endorsed more than 7 big brands in the country. That shows success. Success is measured in so many other ways. You understand? But for Eric, he's a comedian. You guys, you're talking serious issues with a joker. That's why you guys are going
The same
wrong.
Eric said. The same Eric said
Where does he say this thing?
on social media.
So I'm told you see social
He
media.
said the industry,
It's part
the
of his
Kenyan,
comedy.
the Kenyan showbiz industry is boring because you celebrities in Kenya don't do it like he gave an example and he said like in Uganda, then in Kenya. So you guys should style up and lift up the.
You see the problem with this Eric. Eric is just wants headlines. You understand? You see, he has achieved. The fact that you're asking about Eric, he has achieved. And that is strategy to stay relevant. You understand? If I was Eric right now, I would be fighting to be in the levels of Trevor Noah. I will not be talking about other people that are making. You understand?
But he calls himself the president of comedy in Africa.
What is president?
He said it.
If he's a president, then he should be talking about the comedy, no music. You understand? Yes. Have you heard President Museveni talk about Tanzania or Kenya? He talks about the issues of Uganda. You see, a president should stay in his denomination. You understand?
Lastly, call a point.
Thank you so much.
Guys, we are here and I'm happy to be in Uganda, and I call upon everyone, you know, young and old, come out tomorrow. It's at the Kololo Airstrip, right? For the Eddy Kenzo Festival. Everything will be going down there. Bahati from Kenya, I'm here and I can't wait to see you guys, and I believe this will be history, you know. I love you all.
Thank you for embracing my brother Ronnie.
Right?
He's a musician. He's called Ronnie Genius.
Ronnie Genius. Ronnie Genius. What's your YouTube channel?
That is Ronnie Genius Official.
And you guys, you subscribe to Ronnie Genius Official YouTube channel. Okay?
Very big musician, yeah.
Eh? Thank you.
Oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabi ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.